get that on.
Turn all the motors going. We have to turn this one on, right?
Which one is that?
So go here first, check that. That tells us that we checked the machine, everything looks good.
Okay.
Okay. We turn this. That'll get the motor starting, you'll hear them.
Okay.
Okay. Start.
Hear it.
Yep. Okay. We got a green right there. That means all the circuits are good, everything is good on it, right?
Okay.
So you're gonna take this one right here, and you'll hold it to the right, and that starts your trap.
Okay.
Now it's good to go. Now, you'll watch this green light.
That came on.
Yep, so now we're good to go. Now, the second I put it in there, it'll turn off, and then once it's ready for the next piece, it'll turn on again, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so it's going. Now you see how these edges are here and everything like that?
Yeah.
Let's see how it does it. Still a little bit, trying to take off too much. But you can see how clean that is.
Yeah.
So that's not coming off.
Yeah.